We are now at the Fashion Show Mall in Las Vegas, and we're trying to find the Forever 21 store, and I think it's like really on the opposite side of the mall. And have a look at this mall, how beautiful it is.
What?
This is the Henri Bendel store. I got a little thing, and Maria as well. And check what's just in front. This is like the Devil Square for us. We are now at the Red Rock Canyon, and it's just like 30 minutes away from the strip, and it's really, really pretty. Oh, I hope I won't fall, but look at this. Hi, Maria. Hi. Now we're going to take the tram to go to Mandalay and the Shark Reef. And this is the hotel. Now we're in the convention center, and we can see like one of their pools, and there is another pool that has like waves. Oh yeah, there it is. This is the wave pool. This is like the Ray tank, and we can like touch them. So we can touch these ones as well. And these are all M&Ms. And The store is on 4th level. Like, whoa. So we are now at the fashion show mall and we are eating sushi and they are to die for. This is like a shrimp tempura, crispy something. We have some like leftover rainbow. Here there's like a house special with some mango. And also like, is it shrimp? Spicy shrimp, yeah. And they are, oh my god, the best we've ever had. So this is our fitting room in Victoria's Secret. So we're trying to figure out how to use like this like drink distributor at the AMC. So it's like a movie theater. We have to choose between like
normal.
Yeah. 4 below.
Attends, ça s'est même pas rendu à la moitié. Il y a beaucoup de mousse.
Oh, and these are all the food choices that you have. You have pretzels, you have ice cream, you have popcorn, you have hot dogs, you have like nachos. By the way, these are disgusting. You have like chicken, you have and oh yeah, Mike got a medium Coke. Today at the Hoover Dam. It's the big dam that is just like 45 minutes away from Las Vegas, and it's like 34-35 degrees, so it's really hot. And yeah, the weather is beautiful. There are no clouds, and yeah, it's just stunning. I already came here like 3 years ago, but yeah, I really wanted to show it to our friends. So here you have the other side of the dam, and you can see like the water levels are pretty low. Here we are at Whole Foods. And they have like food bars where you can like eat everything that you want. You have like olive one. You have like other food there. You have like pizza by the slice. You have sushi. They look so good. Oh my god. And these are like the farm shops from the Caesar Palace. There's like an elevator here going in circles. It is just so huge. And you have like stores everywhere. We are now getting ready for the Rehab pool party of the Hard Rock Hotel. and we're kind of like not nervous, but we don't know what to do because like I don't think we can take our purses with us, neither like real clothes. So I just have like this shirt and I just got like my bathing suit. And it's like 40 degrees outside and we're worried about like our room keys. So I think I'm gonna just like put them like in a Ziploc bag and I'm gonna ask the guys to like put them in their pocket. Because I think there's like nowhere like to sit or to put your stuff or yeah. So I've never been to one of these events, and neither Maria. So we're like, what the fuck can we bring? And yeah, so we will see how it goes. So we're now on our way for our last dinner with Maria. So it's just like behind me. And we went to the Rehab party at the Hard Rock Hotel. It was really cool. We were actually worried about like my phone like getting either stolen or like landing on the pool. So I wasn't able to get like any footage there, but it was pretty cool. Like there was like the main pool with like all the people and like some were like animals, really. But like there were guys that were like that have been taken out in wheelchairs. So you can imagine their state. But yeah, we found like a very nice spot, just a little bit behind, so we had like the music, and yeah, we really enjoyed our afternoon. And now we're going to Red Robin, yeah, again. Just to make yeah, just to eat like a really good burger for Maria's last night in Vegas.